Hi guys, how's it going, and welcome to a new lesson of the jQuery Basics course of Rails Karate. As always, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I'm at Bastian Follow us on Twitter as at Rails Karate. We are also on Facebook. Go to railskarate.com where you will find the transcript of this video, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. Now let's start with this lesson where we are going to start practicing our jQuery skills, because we saw all the theory and now it's time for get our hands dirty. It means we will practice what we learned in the theory. Here you will find all the code you need, so make sure you have the article opened. And well, first of all, let's go. I already have some images. Go to the internet, download some images. I already have mine here. I will use 5 images. Let's upload these images to our Cloud9 workspace. I will open it, and here in the client and IMG directory, I'm going to upload all these images. So let's see if we can just drag and drop this. Okay, I just drag and dropped that. Okay, I have here my 5 images. I 1, 2, 3. Give me a second. Okay, so now let's rename all this stuff. This will be image 1. Just for easy. Image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4, okay, and image 5. It will be the clock. Great. So now we have renamed all our stuff. I created a new file called overlay-gallery.html. So I'm going just to delete all this stuff. Let's copy the code that is here. Okay, paste it here, and here in the example we gave you just 3 images. As I have 5, I will add the other 2 images. So they will be image 4. Image 4, and here in the alt attribute of the image also 4, and image 5. Here's the image 5 and image 5. Great. So now we have 5 images. We added the jQuery code. Okay. We also have our overlay-gallery.js script where we will build our custom functionality, and here we have overlay style.css CSS file. So let me explain what we are gonna do here. We're going to have an image gallery, and this image gallery will have some images, of course, and once you click an image, it opens the image in a new window, or in a new page. So if you want to see another image, you have to click back in the browser and open another one. So we want to fix this and improve the user experience using an overlay. So we're going to use a lightbox for open the images without reload the page. So let me just prepare the workspace for show you what I'm talking about. So well, after you have the HTML, let's open I created a new file called here overlay-style.css. that is the file that we have linked here. Open it, and the styles is in the article. Here are the styles, so make sure you copy this and you paste it here. So we have some basic styling for display the images more in a better way. Once done that, another thing we need to do is to preview our HTML file. So we blurred the images, we added the HTML and the CSS, and now it's time for take a look. So let's see preview. Well, we need to change the extension is JPG. It's not PNG. Give me a second, I change this. Okay, change the extension of the image linked here. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so here we have our 5 images, very well displayed, and if we click in some of these, let's see this Ruby, you can see that it's opened in a new page. And if we go back, let's reload this. Okay, and if we go we want to open another image, well, you see we have to go back to the from image to another image. So this is not very friendly with the user. So let's build a fancy box or light box that opens when we click an image, and we can see the full image, and we can close it and without reload the page. Okay, so here in our HTML we have this JS file. You know, we will use CoffeeScript, so I created a Coffee file called overlay-gallery. It must be the same name as we have here for our JS file. Make sure you have running the Coffee compiler command. Okay, so I created the file, and let's see what we get. So open the Coffee file, and let's type some comments here for explain what we're gonna do. So first, it's a good practice to document everything we do. So let's see, when user clicks on an image, it opens into a new page. User has to click click back in the browser for open new images. For see the other images. That's it. And what is the solution for this problem? Solution will be display the full image within an overlay without reload the page using jQuery. Okay, so here we have the problem and our solution. The next thing, we have everything prepared for start, and the next thing we want to do is to make a plan. Okay, so let's create some other comments here, and let's see. First thing we want to do is to capture. Okay, let's see, plan. So first thing we want to do is to capture the click event on an image, and next that will be 1.1. It's gonna be the first thing is show the overlay. Next we're going to 1.2. that will be update the overlay with the image link, because here in the HTML we have a link that within the link is image. So this is the link we want to get once the user clicks it. Okay, so we want to update the overlay with the image link. And the third thing we want to do, 1.3, is to get the child's attribute and set caption. So we're going to make caption in the overlay and get the alt image. The alt attribute. It's gonna be the title of the image. Okay. Okay, that's it for this part. The next thing, we need to add the markup. Add overlay. That will be to add overlay. The markup for the overlay. That overlay will have two things: the image, an image, and the second thing will be a caption. That will be the markup of the overlay. And lastly, once we open the overlay, we need to a way to go to another images. So let the user close the overlay once he clicks it. Okay, so he makes a click and the overlay disappears. So the third thing is when overlay is clicked, next thing what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen is hide the overlay. Alright, so we have our plan already structured, so we know everything we're gonna do. It's time for start coding this new fancy overlay, but that will be for the next episode. Be prepared for the J challenge, because we will start challenging you. So make sure you are prepared with the J challenge. So see you the next lesson when we will start coding this fancy functionality, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.